Hi and welcome, Lisa here, bringing you another product reveal with the Wave Link Slimline Embossing Folder. This Slimline Embossing Folder measures 3 3/4 inches wide by 8 5/8 inch in length. The embossed design actually measures 3.5 by 8.5. Now, embossing folders are a great way to add texture and dimension to your papercraft projects. Here you can see that wave design. And I'm going to lightly run my ink pad over the design to give you a better look at it. It really helps pop that design up off that white cardstock. Now be sure to check out my video featuring the Slimline embossing folders. I share some tips and techniques in it. I'll have it linked at the end of this video for you. I hope you found this reveal helpful. For more information on the products in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website. It's linked directly below. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified when new content is added to the channel. And until next time, take care.